Your brain is exhausted. Between the constant feed of notifications, the deadlines, and the sheer speed of modern life, your mental landscape is cluttered. Add to that the lingering psychological weight of forced separation. We spent years navigating lockdowns, leaving a specific, quiet isolation in its wake. Now there's an expectation to get back out and socialize, but structural barriers to connection remain, and our social batteries are fully drained. Clearing that mental debris requires stepping away from digital screens and social pressures, opting instead to put your hands directly into the dirt. The garden functions as a deliberate psychological sanctuary, where the physical work of maintenance serves a deep meditative purpose. Engaging with the soil is a highly effective, evidence-based form of mind-body medicine. Researchers around the world have tracked the biology of gardeners and found clear, quantifiable improvements in their health. Tending to the external earth acts as a direct mechanism for repairing the internal self. Take the act of pulling a weed. It requires solitary focus and steady physical resistance to separate the roots from the soil. That highly repetitive, tactile motion forces a racing, anxious brain to stop projecting into the future and anchor squarely in the current moment. This map visualizes a 2020 literature review that gathered data from 77 distinct studies across the globe. As the data converges into this chart, you can see a steep drop in anxiety and depression metrics, matched by a direct rise in sleep quality. Pulling invasive plants out of the ground physically mirrors the neurological process of clearing out the clutter in your own head. Then consider pruning. You are deliberately clipping away dead blooms so the plant can redirect its energy toward new growth. The physical effort required to work the shears and manage the branches bleeds off the accumulated physiological stress of your week. This scatter plot shows the bodily impact of that labor. As active garden time increases, overall body mass index consistently drops. These benefits group into 3 categories: improved blood glucose, better nutrition, and a major reduction in fall risk for older adults. You ground your body through physical labor, which builds the structural stability necessary to live a healthier life. Once the weeds are pulled and the dead branches are cut, you can finally visualize the upcoming bloom. This quiet, solitary focus on caretaking a living thing provides a necessary balance to our inner lives. By fulfilling our need to be creative and nurturing in private, we effectively recharge our capacity for human interaction. Clinical data supports this link, showing that gardening decreases social isolation and sharpens social skills across all demographics, even yielding positive results for individuals managing conditions like dementia. By taking an hour to quietly nurture the soil, you regenerate the emotional bandwidth you need to engage with the rest of the world. Now the tools are packed away, the beds are clear, your heart rate is steady, and the mental noise is gone. A single garden provides a tangible sense of purpose by contributing directly to the health of the local ecosystem. Those root systems hold the topsoil in place to prevent erosion. The leaves filter the local air, and the upcoming flowers provide a vital food source for local pollinators like bees. It works in both directions. You stabilize your own health while taking a measurable step toward repairing the environment. You do not need a massive suburban backyard to experience any of this. A small balcony with a few containers, or even a sunny window dedicated to indoor herbs, delivers the exact same benefits. Just verify those indoor plants are safe if you have pets or small children. If you want to maximize the social boost, you can claim a plot at a local community garden or join an online club to swap seeds and advice. Whether you are managing a rural acre or a single pot of basil in a city apartment, sinking your hands into the dirt remains one of the simplest, most accessible ways to heal your mind.